Let me just stop that share. Okay, maybe before we start the share, so good evening to everybody. My name is Willem Bester. I live here in Hartbeespoort. Yeah, happily married, two kids. So my journey started back in 2006. I used to do IT, and it just felt wrong to me because I thought you can work your way to into wealth. And after 7 years of giving it my everything, I felt a little bit stuck. And one morning, one of my business partners just decided to move the business to Potchefstroom, and we were operating in Johannesburg then. And yeah, so for me at that point, two things happened. I couldn't take the pressure because I never actually did some work on myself. And the second thing that happened is it just felt wrong because I was putting in all these hours, trading hours for money, and it just didn't work out for me on that point in time. So luckily for me, somebody invited me to an investment seminar. And there I learned a little bit about assets, or I became aware of accumulating assets, although it was just buzzwords down there. It was like rabbit holes that were open up. But I made a decision back in 2006 to start collecting income generating assets. So in those days, we were focused on collecting properties, entry level properties. And yeah, so that's where my journey started. And on this journey, from time to time, I revisited the investment seminars, basically like you guys are doing here tonight. And you can see new products. And in 2017, they told this thing about Bitcoin. And I said, why? Why I only get to hear about Bitcoin now it was 2016. And yeah, so then I started investigating Bitcoin. And that in those days I was collecting properties. So for every property that I wanted to buy, I needed to have an additional 2,500 rand. So the mission was very simple. I need to find additional ways to create either passively or residually an extra 2,500 rand a month. Because as soon as I can do that, I can just buy another property, which is absolutely amazing. Yeah, so and then I got involved in the network marketing industry in 2018 with that mission in mind, making an extra 2,500 rand a month. And as I got involved and I started attending meetings and events, I saw no, this industry is way bigger than that. There are people doing it full time. Those days, people earned six, seven figures weekly. And I saw, no, I need to learn a little bit more about this. And that is where my journey started. And I absolutely fell in love with the industry. And I found a community where I felt very comfortable. And I just followed them and I attended events and learned from it. And that led me to what we have here tonight. And what do we have here tonight? So, what I would like to share with you is a platform called Dao One. So, welcome to Dao One. What is Dao One? Well, my best version of it is it's the technology of tomorrow that is here today. And but before I dive into that, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not registered. And sorry, I got the new pair of glasses and they're moving down, so I'm going to keep on moving them back up so I can see. So I'm not going to be giving you guys any financial advice tonight. All that I want to do is I want to make you aware of what is available right now and maybe how you can position yourself to take advantage of it. Because what I have learned in the investment space or in the digital on the asset space or nowadays the digital asset space, if you can identify where the money is going to flow and you can position yourself before that, then you can take advantage of that wave coming. And then you can start implementing your compounding and leverage, which is eventually the only way to beat the game is by leveraging and compounding. Okay, so with that said, so what is DAO One? DAO One is a decentralized platform that operates on top of the Apertum blockchain. And the technology, so it's technology, smart contracts enabled. It enable users to engage in community-driven activities. The primary purpose of DAO One is to facilitate automated blockchain-based tools and decentralized governance mechanisms. The platform doesn't provide any financial products or services, but instead it serves as a decentralized software and analytics provider. Okay, so that is an absolute mouthful. So let's start breaking it down. The first part, so it's decentralized. a platform that operates on smart contracts. So that means there's no human interaction. So we don't have to worry that there's a CEO that can change his mind tomorrow, or CEO that can run away with the money, or authority that can come and put pressure on a CEO or on a management team to change stuff. As soon as the logic has been programmed, let me just manage the room quickly. As soon as the logic has been programmed, it gets handed over to the blockchain, and then there's validators and smart contracts that does the work. Okay, so what is DAO one and what is Apertum? It is an environment where you can create smart contracts and where you can create applications. That reminds me back in the days when Microsoft was launched. And they launched, well, Microsoft launched the Windows platform. I still remember Windows 3.1, and then applications started following on top of that environment. Myself was a programmer, so we built applications that ran on that environment. It also reminds me of the Apple iPhone or the Android. Everything is apps these days. Okay, so this is exactly what it is. This is more in the fintech world. It's all about apps, dApps, and smart contracts. So if those words are new to you and they might make you uncomfortable, don't worry. We all start there, and the more we use it and the more we understand what it does, the simpler it becomes to understand how everything fits together. So what is important to understand? It's a decentralized environment that runs on smart contracts, so there's no human interaction with it. And the whole purpose of this DAO One and Apertum is technology to empower communities and other businesses to bring their business models and develop it onto this platform. And we that are here tonight has got a very unique opportunity to position ourselves to take advantage of this wave of application and usability that is coming through this platform. Okay, so how can we do that? We can do that by signing up for a digital membership, and that digital membership will give you two different categories of products. The first category is automated training analytic tools, which splits in two again, and we're going to go into depth in that. And it also gives you mining. Okay, and what excites me is the mining part. Why? Because what is mining? What are we mining? We are mining the Apertum token, and that token is used as gas fees for this specific environment. So if we go back in time, when you started with Microsoft, you had to buy a license. Okay, these days you don't buy a license to develop anything on the specific technology. All you do is you develop it for free because it's open source. You deploy it for free, but on every transaction you pay a small fee, and that fee is gas. So where is the market going to find that gas? That market is going to find that gas from us who are mining this specific token, which gives us a very unique opportunity to position ourselves. Okay. There are 5 different levels that you can engage on the subscription. So if you're brand new in this environment, if you're brand new to this technology, don't fall for FOMO. Okay, get yourself educated first, understand what you do, make a decision if you want to move forward. So you can start at the $50 or you can start at the $600. Okay, for the more average person, there's a premium entry level product, which is the Nebula. It's a very, very good starting point. And then for the people that's more advanced or has a very big appetite for what we do, we've got a very advanced premium product called the Galactic. And obviously, it's like any business, the smaller business has got a bigger overhead and the bigger businesses are more efficient. So in this subscription model, it works exactly the same. So what do you get for your subscription? You get access to a sniper copybot. We're going to go into detail into that. You also get access to a market analysis bot. So I'm very excited about the market analysis bot. Why? Because we are sitting in front of a bull run in the altcoins. So what this market analysis bot does, it makes us aware of new projects, and it also gives us a little bit of an edge because it gives us information that the average person doesn't have. Okay, and then obviously the mining bot, which gives us hash power. And hash power means it helps every bot, every subscription that we deploy makes the network stronger and faster. So right now we are looking for many, many miners to come and join our ecosystem to help us to create a very secure environment that we can operate on. So that is the mission that we are on right now. So the next slide, sorry about the big cat here. The next slide is to make you aware of the, uh, the parameters and variables that will follow. Because the slide that I'm going to show you is a dynamic slide. It works directly from the blockchain and it changes on every block. What can change on the block? We'll go into detail of that. So this is how the slide look, but it's always better to go into the live version. So I've prepared the live page for you that you can have a look at it. So this is how it looks. So the person that invited you tonight, you can just ask them for a link and they can send you this specific link. And then you can go and look on your own. Okay, so when we look at this page, so my mission tonight is just to show you where to find the variables and how to interpret them. And then you can go and do your own math and you can decide what you want to do. So the first thing that we look up, so first parameter is the number of blocks. So the subscription for your miner. So maybe if we go back to the golden age in Johannesburg, the stories that I heard is that you needed to go and buy yourself a little claim. That's a piece where you're going to mine. So this reminds me of exactly that. So this miner is, so for your piece that you're going to be mining, it's not time-based. It is block-based. So for the people who are new in the blockchain space, a blockchain is a journal, and a block is it's like a page in the journal. So this specific miner will be active for 31,557,000 pages of the journal. That's it. Okay, so what will the miner be doing? It will be helping with the transactionals and the security and making it a safer and a better place. And what do you get for that? You get rewarded gas fees in the form of a Pertum token. How many of those tokens will you get? Well, it all depends how many miners there are. So this is exactly why it's important to go and have a look at the screen, because right now there you will get 48,729 gas tokens over a period of 31,557,000 pages of the journal. That is if you do what? If you buy the $15,000 Galactic membership. So why am I excited about that? Just keep in mind this project is brand new. If we compare our environment to the Ethereum environment or to the Bitcoin environment, so this environment is now almost 3 months old. It started on the 1st of February. And if we go back in time, you'll see that the Bitcoin price was like 2 cents, $2 back then. The Ethereum price was like $2 back then. This specific project is already sitting at a constant of between $1.80 and $2. Okay, so now you can just do your own math. It's 15,000 out of pocket, back into pocket at a $2 price, and we're very, very new. Okay, 93,000. That's already a very handsome reward. It's like 6 times more. But what if the price goes up to $4? Then it makes a lot more sense. And that's not where we're going to stop. We might go to $8, $10, imagine $100. Okay. Yeah, so I can't show you $100 on the screen now, but you can take 48,729 times $100. That will give you the amount that it might be worth. Okay, and this is a mathematical equation, and I'll show you how that works as well. There's a white paper that you can go and look at. So maybe the Galactic is a little bit too on the top side. You can go and look at the Nova, you can go and look at the Nebula, you can go and look at the Solar, and you can go and look at the Luna. So basically, to summarize what I'm trying to teach you here is, first of all, there's a fixed number of pages that this will be active for, and then all depends on the number of mining licenses and the price. So those are the three big variables that works together to bring the value that you guys are probably looking for. Okay, so let's just move on to the next slide. Okay, so in summary, how does it work? What do you need to do? When I started back in 2017 with Bitcoin mining, it wasn't so easy. It was very technical. I needed to buy hardware. I needed to configure the hardware. I needed a place to put the hardware. So it was a lot of pain involved getting started in Bitcoin mining. And if you started before that, it was even worse. Again, there's nobody that can help you. There's no team or community that you can go and say, hey, I'm new here. I want to learn how this works. You have to figure it all out on the dark web and I'll put it all together. But this specific bot is a set and forget environment. All you do is you activate your subscription, and then your bot gets linked into the blockchain and it goes to work because it's a mathematical equation. So it also reminds me of those diving vessels that has that goes onto the ocean, and then they deploy those little submarines where the divers goes into, and then they stay there for 10 or 20 days under the water, and every day they go out of the water, but they are plugged in to because it forms one unit. So this is exactly the same. Your bot is still plugged into the vessel and it does everything automatically. So all that you need to do, you need to decide on a specific date, and then you go and collect your harvest. And that harvest you can keep for later, or you can go and liquidate it onto the market, or you can use it to fuel some of the applications or transactions that you would like to engage on the blockchain. Okay, so on the right-hand side, you can see over here, the smaller the subscription, the higher the overhead. So and there's an exponential growth between the bigger subscriptions. That's why we call the Nebula, the Nova, and the Galactic premium products, because they are way more efficient than the first two subscriptions. But it all depends what your goals are and what you want to achieve by joining us in this specific environment. Okay. So why should I choose DAO One or Apertum? So first of all, let's go into the technical stuff a little bit technical. So Apertum is a blockchain. It's not just another coin. It's a whole development that is built on top of the Avalanche blockchain. So, why? Because Avalanche is a blockchain that focuses on creating a safe environment for other blockchains. It's like renting a virtual space. So people ask me, so why didn't they go and set up their own service? It's the same reason why somebody would rent space in a data center or go onto Microsoft Azure or one of those products. Because Microsoft or the data center focus on all the hardware and the security, and the person that rent the service space focuses on the software. So the Avalanche blockchain works exactly on the same principle. The purpose of Avalanche is to focus on the hardware and environment us in and providing a safe environment for blockchains to operate in. So this is a blockchain that's launched on a virtual machine on top of the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, so it's very efficient. The next thing is there's limited supply. So the developers has taken into account proven principles. They're not testing a new strategy. It's a proven fact that Bitcoin has got the value it has because of the limited supply and the fact that you must mine the coins. Okay. The second thing is they took uh, a second proven principle from the Ethereum blockchain, which is the burning protocol. So every transaction on the Ethereum protocol sends a small portion of Ethereum gas fees into a burning wallet. So it's the best of Bitcoin, it's the best of Ethereum, and it's super fast. So this environment creates a very positive environment for integration and developers to deploy smart contracts and dApps, because that's the whole purpose of the environment, to be like a middle ground to bring tomorrow's technology here today. And right now, we have already been um, it's I'm looking for that word, recognized. This community has already been recognized for being the fastest growing community in 2025. We started on the 1st of February, and we're already sitting at just over 36,000 members, which is quite crazy in this space. Okay, so let's dive a little bit deeper into this burning protocol, because in this environment, the burning protocol is what will ensure a positive and a healthy value over time for the specific gas token. So it's limited supply. based on the Bitcoin protocol to 2.1 billion tokens. 2 billion that will be mined, exactly like Bitcoin. It's the only way a token can get to the market is through the mining process. And and it also applies the Bitcoin halving. So for the next 4 years, but remember, it's not time-based, it's number of blocks based. There will be 8 Ethereums for every journal page that comes to the market. After that, it will be 4, and after that, it will be 2, and onwards like that. So there will definitely be scarcity that drives into that. Furthermore, the burning protocol creates even further scarcity because every time there's a transaction, 50% of that transaction fee goes into the burning protocol and it gets destroyed forever. The other 50% goes back um, to the miners as a reward for them. Okay. Furthermore, 8% of all the analytical tools, 8% of the value that the customers pay for it goes into the burning wallet. And the whole purpose there is go to the market, go and buy coins and burn it. 5% of all the membership tiers goes into the burning wallet and it burns the tokens. So every time a new customer enjoys a new product, already there's a certain amount of dollar value that goes to the market, buy fuel from the market, and send it to the burning wallet. And what I love the most about this whole environment is the transparency. So if you want to know how the burning protocol looks, there's a whole explorer dedicated to that specific burning protocol. So let's quickly jump onto that page and let me show you how it looks. So if you want to know where to find it, you just go to apertum.io. That is the general website where you can find all the information, the testnet and also the mainnet. And when you go to the mainnet and you go to the burn, then you will get to this page. So on this page, you can see what happened today. So you can see that today alone, $1,666 was available due to products that was sold, 5% and 8%. And that meant the the buyback and burn smart contract went to the market, bought 871 of those Apertum tokens, and sent it to the burning wallet, doomed dead forever off the market. So just because of today, there won't ever be 2.1 billion tokens anymore. There will be 2.1 billion less 871. That is just for the 5% and the 8% of the fees. Furthermore, there were transactions that happened on the blockchain and 5.9 tokens were burned based on all the transactions that happened. So today alone, there were 877 tokens that were burned, and there was 9,100 that was created. So there you can already see the ratio. But let's look at from day one what happened. So you can see that a total of $586,000 has already been used to buy back and burn. A total of 308,000 tokens has already been burned, taken off the market. And you can see it's close to almost 10%, just under, it's like 8% that is deflationary. So what do I love about this environment? Here you can see transparency. It's a guaranteed deflationary environment. Okay, so deflationary means less supply, more demand. Okay, which is super fantastic for the price of the gas token over time. So let's jump back onto the slides and then we can quickly finish off. What is the vision going forward? So right now the community is sitting at roughly about 36,000 and the vision is to grow it to 300,000 to the next, in the next 12 months. And the method that's being used to grow the community is the network marketing method. So people ask me, is this whole thing about network marketing? No, not at all. The technology which is Apertum is solid. There's no network marketing involved there. Any developer can bring their product and deploy it on this specific blockchain. Why would you want to do it? Because it's super fast. It does a journal page every second. It can handle up to 80,000 transactions per journal page. You can deploy a smart contract within minutes. I will quickly go on live and show you how to do that. So there's many benefits like to use our technology. So it's almost like, the Bitcoin is the VHS of the world. The Ethereum is the DVDs of the world, and Apertum is the Netflix, is the Audible, is the Spotify of the world. It's just newer, better, faster technology, and the many companies and users are already transitioning. There's already more than, as I said, 30,000 users that transitioned into this space, and there's already more than $5 million that transitioned onto this super highway of information because it's just more efficient.
Luister net na sy. Luister net na sy aanbieder.
Yep.
Ek luister.
Um, okay, so smart contracts, there's already just under 300 smart contracts that deployed. And the vision is to have more than 100,000 of these smart contracts deployed. Listing on exchanges, it's already listed on a decentralized exchange, which is super exciting, and already listed on 4 central exchanges. I think it's Bitmart Exchange. It is yeah, P2B exchange, it is Albank exchange, and I can't remember the fourth one. But if you go onto CoinMarketCap, you can see the list of all the exchanges that it's already been listed on. And then the vision for the dApps is to develop more than 10,000 different dApps that uses this technology. The nice thing about this is its scalability because we run on top of Avalanche. The more demand there are, the more miners there are, automatically the virtual machine gets bigger and it can handle thousands and thousands of transactions super, super fast and super cheap. Okay, that is all about the bot, the mining. So let's quickly dive into the other two things. That is the market analysis bot, the analysis tools. So technically, you're getting these tools for free because the real value is coming with the mining bot. So the market analysis bot is focused on new people that wants to join the crypto environment. So the stats says that about 97 out of every 100 people you see yeah, still hasn't dipped their toes into the crypto world. So this specific product has been designed to help those people to become aware of new and upcoming projects that's been vetted through certain criteria and through certain filters, and it makes it super easy to get into those products and get out of those projects. It even goes as far as to give you, the smart contract address. It gives you the price range that it thinks is a good idea to enter, and it gives you the price range that and what you can exit, and it also gives you a link that will take you to the platform or to the exchange where you can exchange into that specific project and out of that specific project, which is super, super amazing. And lastly, it's the Novus Sniper Copy Bot. So the flavor of in the crypto space for a while is the Solana network. It was growing very fast, and on the Solana network, there's lots of meme coins that was launched. So those meme coins are making thousands of percentage points every day. So the whole point of this Anubis Sniper Bot is to enable the average community to take advantage of that market. So how do you do that? So there's a specific websites. There are many of those websites that aggregate the Solana blockchain. Okay, and it gives you filters so that you can find uh, traders that are making a good profit, in that environment. And all you need from that trader is their wallet address. Then all you do is you take the wallet address, you enter it into your Sniper copy bot, which is sitting in your own custodial wallet, and then you fund it with, I think a minimum is half a Solana, and then you press go. There's some parameters that you can set to make your interaction a little bit more safe to protect you from the trader, like don't go into tokens that's less than 6 hours old. Don't go into tokens that don't have more than a certain percentage of liquidity or a certain amount of liquidity. There's a stop loss strategy. There's a take profit strategy. So there are many variables that you can set. And then you press the button and then the bot takes over. And as the trader makes a trade, it automatically copy whatever that wallet does on your behalf. And when it goes out, it sells automatically. And if that trade is then positive, you made money. And if that trade is negative, you lost. Okay, you lost some money. So the whole point here, it's a short-term thing. You need to be hands-on. And the big thing is here, you need to find the right trader. If you have got the wrong trader, you blow your account in seconds. Okay, so that is what this is all about. Cool. So here's a summary. So what do I like about DAO One and why I'm unprepared to put my name on it and come and tell people about it? The transparency. Everything runs on the blockchain. If you understand how the Explorer works, you can find your way. You know exactly what's happening in this environment. You can see everything happening real time. Okay, so you don't have to trust me. All that I need to do is to teach you where to go and look. You don't have to trust me at all. Okay, the second thing, it's already functional. We're not selling something, or we're not promoting or making people aware of a vision, of a dream. Everything is what you see is already working, which is absolutely amazing. It is deflationary. Why? Because I don't like inflation. Back in 2006, I think the first book my mom gave me was a book called The Richest Man in Babylon. And ever since I've read that book, I was looking for a solution to implement the strategies in those books. The problem is in today's world, if the first thing I did is I saved money. But as I put the money into the bank, little that I know, inflation will kill you. So that is what I love about this environment, zero inflation. In fact, it's not zero inflation, it's deflationary, which is super cool. Okay, it's already recognized. Why? Because 36,000 people already moved onto this platform. And because I've been part of the community, I know there's about 800,000 coming in the next 2 to 3 months. Let's call it 6 months. It's already accessible to everybody and it's fully decentralized. And we can go and verify that on the Avalanche blockchain, which makes it amazing. Okay, so one of my biggest lessons in my investment journey was the following. In the beginning, when I started, I wanted to realize profit. Why? Because I didn't understand inflation and I didn't understand asset appreciation. But as soon as I understood that, I stopped thinking about the number of rands I have in the bank. And it was all about how many assets I can accumulate and how those assets can appreciate over time. Because think about it. Uh, as soon as you liquidate your assets, you make yourself liable to profit, and profit attracts taxes. But if you just keep your asset and it accumulates over time, then you delay that problem, to whenever that problem arrives in the future. And if you plan well for it, it is not a problem. It's actually a blessing. Okay, so here's my story. I started in 2016 becoming aware of Bitcoin. In 2017, in July, I made a big leap where some of you guys are here tonight, maybe making that big leap into the crypto space. I started with only 100 Rand back then, and I bought some Bitcoin, 0.0271. And then I also started up miners those days, the physical machines doing all the technical setups and burning electricity. They made a lot of noise, and one of the biggest challenges was to keep them cool. And my miners worked and everything worked well for me, and the market went up, and I made a handsome profit. And I took my first profit of 1,200 Rand. I sold 0.1986975 Bitcoin on the 3rd of October 2017. So the first mistake I made there is I made myself liable for a profit. That means I attracted some tax burden. And the second thing I didn't realize is that if you have an appreciating asset, what is the point? The point is to create wealth. And if an asset is appreciating in value over time, you're already in the game. All you need to do is to have the discipline to keep it. So that little lesson cost me 32,000 Rand. Okay, but I didn't learn it the first time. I only learned it way later in life. Okay, so I made my second profit. I took my second bit of profit on the 10th of November 2017. I sold 0.044 Bitcoin for a lovely 4,600 Rand back then. I was so chuffed. I invited my buddies. We went to a restaurant. We had some beers and we had some lunch, and I paid with my crypto, my Bitcoin, and it was an achievement. Little did I know that lesson would set me back 75,000 Rand. It's actually 76 because it's a fourth six plus the 7-1. Okay, all I should have done, I should have just kept it because today it would have been worth 0.044. And there's ways and means that you can use the liquidity of these specific assets without getting rid of them. But those are all tricks up the sleeves that you'll learn if you stay with this community into the future. Okay, so why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you because I have learned my lessons. I'm not selling my Apertum and I'm not selling my Bitcoin anymore. As long as an asset is an appreciating asset and it's safe and the market conditions are good, I'm keeping my assets. and hopefully you can learn from my mistakes. Okay, I hope you learn the good things from my mistakes and not the bad things. Okay, now you probably wonder, how do you get started with this amazing opportunity? Somebody invited you here tonight, so please reach out to them and they'll give you a link. That link will take you step by step through the process, or if you get stuck, you can ask any one of us. We can jump onto a Zoom call and we can help you step by step. You never have to feel alone. You don't have to figure this out on your own. That's why we are here. We are here to help you as a community. And I promise you, we are a part of a very big community. Some of you were on a call just prior to this one, and they announced that this specific community, after 6 weeks, is already 2,000 strong. So there's 2,000 people that will hold your hand and can't wait for you to win in this space. The second thing the person can do is, instead of just sending you the link, they can send you a link to a bot that runs on Telegram. And that bot is a little bit more advanced with more tutorials. You can even ask that bot more than 1,000 questions about this environment that's pre-programmed to help you find the answer to those questions. And every answer is obviously validatable. You can go and check the references for yourself and make sure that you are happy with the information you have. And as they say, there's always something more. So what is more? So right now, there's a very big incentive. So the incentive is very simple. There will be a lucky draw. The first prize will be a car worth 250,000, but I'm very sure you can negotiate to get the value instead of the vehicle. All depends where your mindset are. If you already got a lot of assets and you want the Lamborghini, you can have it, or you can just take the value. I would personally take the value. The second prize will be 150,000 gold debit card, and the third prize will be a gold debit card of $100,000. Okay, so there's no fancy requirements. All you need to do is you need to have an entry into the lucky draw. How do you get an entry? Would be your next questions. Well, there's two ways. The first thing you can do, you can buy one of the premium products. The premium products are the Nebula, the Nova, and the Galactic. If you buy the Nebula, you get one ticket. If you buy the Nova, you get two tickets. If you get the Galactic, you get four tickets. So remember now, you get all the gas that will be mined by the bot. Plus, you get access to the market analysis bot that will give you advantage in the upcoming bull run to position yourself into those projects. And it will also give you access to the sniper copy bot, and it will also give you an entry into the lucky draw. Okay, the second way that you can help it is for existing members that is engaged in the business. So it's typically the person who invited you here tonight. If they help you to buy one of the premium products, they get an entry into the lucky draw as well. Okay, so there's two ways you can get an entry into this draw. If you don't have the ability to buy a product, find someone else who does have the ability to buy the product and help them to get access to this amazing environment. And then you get your access to the lucky draw. So, Stefan, that is what I have for you tonight. I hope everybody got value. Maybe we can stop the recording. I'll stop the recording.